Okay, so we have here a red, big, beautiful ball. A beautiful, big, red ball. A big, red, beautiful... See, even I'm getting tangled up. But what if I told you that your brain already knows the answer? That there's a secret hidden code built right into the English language that tells you exactly in which order those words have to go, and that once you learn it, you'll never make the same mistake again. You know how in a boy band there's always the tall one, the funny one, the mysterious one, the one who sings falsetto? Well, adjectives in English are exactly like that. They have roles, positions, and a pecking order. And if you mess up the lineup, the whole performance falls apart. Hey there, I'm Perry, and today we're dropping the mic on plain English by taking a look at attributive adjectives. Like red car, smart student, delicious cake. That's a fancy way of saying those adjectives that go before a noun. We're not talking about the cake is delicious. No, that's predicative. We're focusing on the before the noun magic. What are attributive adjectives? The before the noun squad. An attributive adjective sits directly before a noun and describes it. Examples: a blue sky, a confident speaker, delicious chocolate cookies. These aren't just slapped on willy-nilly. English has a preferred order, a kind of grammar GPS that tells adjectives where to stand in line. Break the order, your sentence might still be technically understandable, but it'll sound off. It's like wearing socks with sandals. Functional? Maybe. Stylish? Not so much. The magical adjective order. Here's the golden key. OSASCOMP. It's not a typo, it's a mnemonic. A memory trick that unlocks the perfect adjective order. Say it like a spell. Let's break it down letter by letter. OSASCOMP stands for O for opinion. What you think. Like beautiful, amazing, terrible, delicious. S for size. How big or small. Like huge, tiny, enormous, miniature. A for age. How old. Like young, ancient, brand new. S for shape. Physical form. Like round, square, rectangular, oval. C for color. Hue. Like red, blue, golden, silver. O for origin, where it's from, like French, Japanese, Eastern. M for material, what it's made of, like wooden, silk, plastic, metal. P for purpose, what it's used for, like cooking, sleeping, racing. Notes. Note 1. Some adjectives like temperature, hot or cold, or condition, like wet or broken, often fit after size, but before age. Note 2. The purpose section isn't always a traditional adjective, like big or red. It can be a word that qualifies or specifies the noun's role. Most of the times, these words are nouns that tell us the specific type or purpose of the main noun. For example, coffee in coffee mug. This makes sentences flow naturally, as English speakers intuitively place these last to avoid confusion. This order is flexible. You don't need all 8 every time, but when you use more than one, they follow this sequence. Let's practice. Let's build a sentence step by step. We want to describe a mug. It's ugly. It's small. It's old. It's round. It's red. It's Italian. It's ceramic. and it's a coffee mug. Now, slap them all before mug, but in OSASCOMP order. An ugly, small, old, round, red Italian ceramic coffee mug. Smooth? Yep. Now, try it backwards. A coffee, ceramic, red, round, old, small, ugly Italian mug. Sounds like a malfunctioning AI, right? Example 2. IELTS writing. Describing urban development. Imagine this IELTS essay prompt. Some people believe that traditional buildings should be preserved. Others think cities need modern architecture. Discuss both views. You want to describe a building. Let's go full OSASCOMP. The city demolished a magnificent, huge, ancient, square, white Greek marble temple. Break it down. Magnificent, huge, ancient, square, white, Greek, marble, temple. That sentence is IELTS Band 9 Gold. Rich, descriptive, natural. Example 3. Speaking. Describe a gift. Now, you want to brag about a gift your granny gave you. My grandmother gave me a lovely little vintage oval emerald Russian silver necklace. Lovely, little, vintage, oval, emerald, Russian, silver, necklace. Perfect order. Sounds poetic, not forced. But wait, there are exceptions. And they're cool. Exception 1. Emphasis and drama. It was a long, dark, terrifying tunnel. Here, opinion, terrifying, comes after the length and color. Why? For dramatic effect. This build-up makes terrifying hit harder. This isn't a grammar rule being broken. It's a writer's tool. It's common in storytelling, speeches, and literature. And in IELTS when you want to impress. Exception 2. Paired adjectives with and. A big and beautiful house. A red and white flag. When you use and, the order can be looser because you're treating them as equal. But without and, stick to OSASCOMP. Why this matters for IELTS. IELTS isn't just about correct grammar. It's about natural-sounding, fluent, sophisticated English. Using multiple adjectives in the correct order shows lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, cohesion and fluency. You're not just describing, you're painting pictures with words. Pro tip for mastering attributive adjective order. Start small. Don't force 8 adjectives. Use 2 or 3, but in correct order. A delicious Italian meal. A tiny old wooden box. Practice with photos. Look at images like furniture, food, and describe them using OSASCOMP. Rewrite sentences. Take jumbled ones and fix them. A metal, big, round German clock. A big, round German metal clock. Lesson for it. In movies, podcasts, or TED Talks, pause and analyze what adjectives they used. In what order? Let's test your skills. Mini quiz. No stress, just fun. Arrange these adjectives correctly. Antique, French, oval, wooden, beautiful, table. A beautiful, oval, antique, French, wooden table. Cotton, blue, lovely, long, dress. A lovely, long, blue cotton dress. Silver, round, expensive, Chinese, mirror. An expensive, round Chinese silver mirror. Leather, black, small, stylish, bag. A stylish, small, black leather bag. How'd you do? If you nailed it, high five. If not, no worries. Review OSASCOMP and try again. Mastery takes practice. This isn't just learning some grammar. You're learning power. You're not just speaking English. You're speaking it like a pro who knows the rules. Look, I'll be real with you. Grammar doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun. It can be clicking like a light bulb. And today, I hope you felt that click. You now know something most English learners never get taught, but native speakers use every day. So, go describe that amazing, huge, modern, rectangular, black American carbon fiber racing car with pride. And when someone says, "Wow, that sounds so natural," you'll smile and say, "Yeah, I know. Keep learning, keep shining." Peace and love. Your favorite teacher,